How to reset factory iPhone. Before you start, remember that a factory reset will erase all the data on your iPhone. If you want to save your content or settings or transfer them to a new device, you'll need to have a backup saved on your computer or in iCloud. You'll also want to make sure you have your Apple ID password handy. If you want to restore to factory settings from your device, first go to Settings. Tap General and then Reset. Next, tap Erase all content in Settings. Tap Erase Now, then if prompted, enter your passcode or Apple ID password. Then tap Erase iPhone to confirm. Now wait for your iPhone to erase. You can also restore your iPhone to factory settings using your Mac or Windows computer. If you're using macOS Catalina, you'll use the Finder. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier, or if you're using a Windows computer, you'll use iTunes. First you'll need to get your device ready. In Settings, tap your name. Tap Find My. Then tap Find My iPhone and turn it off. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password, then tap Turn Off to confirm. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer. If you see a message asking for your device passcode or to trust this computer, follow the on-screen prompts to continue. Next, click Restore iPhone. If this step isn't working, double-check to see if you signed out of Find My. If you haven't, you won't be able to restore your iPhone. This next step will erase your device. Unless you have a backup, you won't be able to retrieve them. If you're sure you want to continue, click Restore again to confirm. Wait for your computer to install the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. Your device will be restarted and you will see Hello screen. And that's it. We do also have all parts such as LCD, top case keyboard, SSD, logic board, and battery available in stock for immediate shipping. This video is provided by Tronics Center. For more details, please visit our website, www.tronicscenter.com, and contact us on support@tronicscenter.com or support@bazarzone.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.